Guys, this is Justin, and here is my Yaya Judy. Today we're gonna teach you how to make chicken. First, get some breadcrumbs and just shove it in the bowl.
Breadcrumb?
Now you get a chicken, part of the chicken.
How much chicken you want?
I ordered 2 chicken, please. Just put it in the dough. Yeah, just put it in the dough.
Later ka na mag-video if you're...
Judy, it's for YouTube.
What?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel, don't you know?
I'm gonna wash my hands. But...
Oh, first, when you're gonna cook, you have to wash your hands, like this.
What are you doing?
Filming! And you just wipe it after. Heat the pan up to, I have no idea how many degrees.
Excuse me.
Like, heat your pan up to a number of degrees. You get your thingamajiggy. Ah! What is that thing? First, you take at least, we have no idea how many oil. Just put it all over the pot. But by the way, Clarice, if you're watching this video, and if you know how to cook chicken...
Who's Clarice?
She's my student from grade 4. She knows how to cook.
How about you? You know how to cook?
She cooks bacon.
Only bacon?
And some other foods, okay? Heard she cooks bacon.
How about chicken?
I don't know. So you just bread the chicken.
Then wait.
And then you have to wait for the oil thingy to evaporate in the pure hotness of the stove.
Yeah. Then if I just boobs.
Ah! Judy! Those are nips!
And nipple!
Ah! And first I gotta get a drink.
Then I touch your butt.
No! Ah! My maid is the best maid ever.
What's what is doing? Did you notice doing something mess?
Oh, yep. He cleaned up the stuffed toys that he messed. Oh, if I say stuffed toys, yeah. There's only one banana.
Just eat it.
So just wait. Okay. While we're waiting, I'll just show you around the kitchen. This is the main aisle where I keep my stuff. Here's some Kool-Aid. Why do I have Kool-Aid? And this is Family Guy.
Stop it.
After playing video games for 51 hours straight. He was playing Halo, now he has a Halo. Yes, kidding, he was gay. Okay, big deal. Stayed awake for 51 hours, it's nothing. Yeah, I've flown back-to-back Australian trips that were longer than that. I never sleep. Something's been beeping in our bedroom for 3 years. Bonnie will look for it and I can't find it. Hey, I got a fun idea. Let's bet on it.
Okay, now you put the chicken with the thingamajigger. Pick a better one. Now you just do the breading thing again. And you put it in there for, I have no idea how much amount of time.
I don't know.
Put it there for at least like 1 hour or something. I don't know. Yeah, that's your preparation for making a chicken. I'll make another video when the chicken's done and what you have to do. It's obvious. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And have a heads up of all the new videos. Bye!